What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a good day. So today we are going to install the bed extender on the Tundra here. It's not necessarily going to be a step-by-step, but I'm going to show you what I do to put it on. At the end of the video, I will add the Toyota instructions how to install. It's very simple. I'll show you everything that comes with it as far as brackets and the new bolts or screws you're going to have to put in. Pretty simple install. I also had to modify my bed divider, or excuse me, my bed liner a little bit, which I will show you what I had to do. So let's get started. All right, so my bed liner is not a Toyota bed liner, it's aftermarket. If you have the Toyota one, it'll probably be a little bit easier to get to the screws that you need to get to around here, which is where the bed extender anchors connect. So like I said, mine's aftermarket, so I had to cut away the plastic around here a little bit so I can get to the screws using these, which was fairly simple. And I had to chop it up a little bit, but I don't really like this bed liner anyway, as you guys know, so it's no big deal. So we had to cut away each side, and now we are going to put on the brackets. So this is all that comes with the bed extender as far as hardware. You get a list on how to clean it, how to use it, everything like that. You get some screws and you get some anchors. That's it. That's all that comes with the bed extender. So the first thing we're doing is we're actually taking off the tie downs on this side, and then we're putting the bracket on. So that is what we're up to right now. All right, we've taken the first tie down off. So apparently we're not going to need these screws that were already on the truck with it. We get longer screws in this to support the bracket. So let's do that next. Okay, installation complete. So we have our bracket here and our bracket over here, and it is installed. I had to do some modifying to my bed liner. Now, if you have a bed liner that comes from Toyota, the one that says Toyota in the middle up there, you're going to be okay. You probably won't have to do what I did here. But this bed liner, again, if you've been around the channel a while, you know how much I hate this bed liner. It's aftermarket. It moves all over the place. I don't even know if it's officially meant for this truck, but so I had to modify it a little bit to make this happen with no problem, which, like I said, I don't really like the bed liner, so I don't care that I had to do it. Very simple install. It's a T40 drill bit right there. That's all it took to do it. You just take these off. You take your tie downs off, and then you put the bracket on with the tie down on the top of it, and you put in the new screws here that are a little bit longer. That's all it takes. So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually put on the bed divider and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when it's installed. Obviously you go right into the bracket, no big deal. And then you have these straps here, and these straps connect down right in here, and you can hear a click. Boom. Come over to the other side, same thing. You will hear a click. And then it is ready to use. It won't go anywhere. When you don't want to use it anymore, you just pull the tailgate handle under here, and that releases this one, and that also releases this one. And then you have options here. Obviously, you could fold the piece up like that, and then when you actually close your bed here, you have a little area you could put stuff. If you're going like food shopping or whatever, and you don't need the whole bed. And what is worse? There's absolutely nothing worse than when you go food shopping and you put stuff in your bed, and by the time you get home, there's everything all over the place because it fell out of the bags. All right, well, there you go. You have an option right there. So I obviously have the partition as well, but if you don't have that, this can be something, for smaller items you want to put in your bed so they don't go floating around the bed also. So there you have it, guys. Super easy install. Like I said, I will put up the Toyota instructions at the end of this, but it's fairly simple. You just take out the rear tie downs. You put the rear tie downs back in with the new longer bolts and the brackets to hold the actual bed extender, and you're pretty much done. It's not a hard install at all. I'm sorry I didn't really take you step by step through it, but like I said, it's so easy. A caveman could do it. Great commercials. But anyway, if you have any questions about this, let me know. It's good for, I don't know. First off, let me just say this. I'm glad it's easy to take out. It's not something I would want in my bed all the time because the 5.5 foot bed is small enough. I wouldn't want that back there, you know, if we were going camping or to the beach or whatever and I needed my bed space. Taking the bikes down to the shore to ride, that would get in the way. So the thing comes out super easy. You don't have to uninstall anything. The brackets are just there and out of the way. So it's not a big deal. But if you have any questions about it, let me know. Twitter and Instagram at TundraDude34, TundraDude34 @gmail.com. Gotta love the easy installs. Take care.